Fun facts. Open the book and touch an animal. Farm. Savannah. Touch an animal. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby pig is called a piglet. This donkey lives on the farm. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby goat is called a kid. This goose is white. This ostrich has 2 legs. This giraffe has a long neck. This gazelle can jump. This hippo is large. This lion lives in the savannah. This elephant is strong. This rhino has 2 horns. This flamingo is pink. This zebra has stripes. Desert. Polar. Touch an animal. This scorpion has sharp claws. This camel has 2 humps. This fly is very small. This rattlesnake has sharp teeth. This tarantula has 8 legs. This armadillo has a shell. This coyote can run. This vulture has wings. This meerkat is quick. This snowy owl has feathers. This polar bear lives in the North Pole. This puffin can fly. This narwhal has 1 tusk. This walrus has tusks. This penguin lives in Antarctica. This caribou has antlers. This orca is very large. This Arctic fox is soft. Ocean. Shore. Touch an animal. This dolphin has 2 flippers. This clownfish is orange and white. This swordfish has a long snout. This seahorse lives in the ocean. This shark has sharp teeth. This stingray has a long tail. This whale is very large. This jellyfish has tentacles. This octopus has 8 arms. This gull is white and grey. This sea turtle has a large shell. This clam lives on the shore. This sea lion can swim. This starfish has 5 arms. This pelican has a long beak. Heron starts with H. This sea otter is soft. This crab is small. Home. dragonfly has wings. This worm is very long. Rainforest. Trees. Touch an animal. This tree frog can jump. This gorilla can climb. This spider has 8 legs. This anaconda lives in the rainforest. This piranha has sharp teeth. This tiger has stripes. This jaguar can run. This crocodile is large. This dragonfly has wings. This sloth is slow. This panda is black and white. This squirrel is small. This chameleon eats insects. This parrot is colorful. This toucan has a large beak. This orangutan is orange. This monkey lives in the trees. This lemur can climb. Forest. Forest at night. Touch an animal. This porcupine is slow. This deer lives in the forest. This beetle is very small. This woodpecker has a beak. This eagle has claws. This bear is large. This bear is large. This moose has antlers. This hawk can fly. This chipmunk has stripes. This bat has wings. This fox has 4 legs. This firefly is very small. This wolf can run. This moth is grey and brown. This raccoon can climb. This owl has large eyes. This skunk is black and white. This hedgehog is busy in the forest at night. Animals live